By the end of the video, we'll know about leg day made easy. Simple bodyweight leg exercises. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and easy workout that focuses on your legs, all without the need for any equipment. Kicking off with a classic exercise, the squat offers a full body workout. Start by keeping your feet hip-width apart. Then slowly lower yourself down as if you're about to sit in a chair, maintaining good posture throughout. This simple movement tones your thighs, glutes, and hamstrings. Next up is the lunges. Stand with your feet apart and take a large step forward with one leg. Bend your knees and lower yourself down until your knee almost touches the ground. Push back up to starting position and repeat on the other side. These are great for targeting your quads and glutes, while also working on your balance and stability. And finally, who could forget the good old calf raises? They're perfect for strengthening the calf muscles. Start in a standing position and raise up onto your toes. Hold for a moment, then lower back down. Repeat this action for maximum benefit. So there you have it, 3 simple bodyweight leg exercises to add to your routine today. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. If you're craving more fitness tips and workouts, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay fit and keep moving.